what's necessary. Then do what is possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. May I call upon the stage the able captain who's made Jodamal Public School a hallmark. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our very able and dynamic principal, Mr. Trilok Singh Bish. Sir.
A very good morning to all of you, and I'm sure you all have understood the concept of Blizzard of More. It was a total creation of Jodhpur Public School. Esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. Ashok Kaima, Vice Chancellor, the Central University Jammu. Today's guest of honor, Mr. Simrandeep Singh, IAS, the District Development Commissioner Jammu, respected Mrs. Shishum Kuchala and Mr. Joginder Kuchala, the Chairperson, Jodhpur Education Foundation, Mr. Nandan Kuchala and Mrs. Aarti Kuchala, the trustees and the executive members of Jodhpur Public School, the PRC members, my fellow principals from different schools, distinguished guests, press people, the honored parents, and my dear students. On behalf of Jodhpur Public School, it is my proud privilege to accord a very warm welcome to all of you to Jodhpur's 11th annual prize distribution function today. We deem it our great honor that our chief guest, Dr. Ashok Kaima, has very graciously taken out a few hours from his busy schedule to be with us this morning. So we are highly indebted to you for your kind consent being given to us, and I'm sure your presence is going to motivate and inspire all of us at Jodhpur. We are also honored to have our guest of honor, Mr. Simrandeep Singh, IAS, for sparing his valuable time to be with us today, and your presence is really going to inspire us at Jodhpur. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure to present this annual report of Jodhpur Public School. First and foremost, I would like to inform you all that this year, as Mr. Nandan has already informed you, we have been ranked #1 by the Education World in the C4 survey, and besides that, we have also been awarded 6-star gold rating by the Education World Foundation UK, a worldwide rating agency. The school has been consistently ranked among the top schools in the country, and it has become a benchmark today to measure the academic, co-curricular and extracurricular excellence, as also for fostering a community which has an engaged sense of responsibility to the society. I believe that each child is wired differently, that makes us break to think, process and create in a different way. While some are word smart, therefore are good communicators and have a potential to become good lawyers, teachers, writers, poets and comedians. Whereas some are smart, number smart, who delight in digits, have fun with equations and would do very well as programmers, scientists, engineers, accountants and economists. While some other may be picture smart with an eye for the form, and hence make the architects, pilots, designers, photographers and artists. Some children are smart with their ear for sound. They have a tremendous potential to become a Beethoven, Mozart, A.R. Rahman, Ravi Shankar, Bismillah Khan, composers and musicians. Some children are body smart. They excel in physical activity and leap into the world of sports. Become dancers, sportspersons, models, surgeons. They use their body and hands, limbs with terrific tactile sensitivity. Then there are children who could be classified as self-smart. They know themselves, they are introspective, self-disciplined, driven by inner goals. They make excellent entrepreneurs. They make excellent priests, philosophers, etc. For me, it is not how smart a child is, but in which way is he smart that counts. It is for us to strategize which learning style the child responds to. It calls for a redefinition of what a school activity is. While each activity must give an experience, each small piece of experience must build into a large mosaic of understanding for our children. There has to be a paradigm shift in our teaching and learning styles. It is very well known that the teacher's role and involvement is paramount at every stage of learning, and we should not fall short on this account. We remember an Einstein for what he did in the labs, a Manekshaw for what he did in the war room, a Valmiki or a Tolstoy for what they did at their writing tables. To the parents, I have to say that these are the years of investment in your child's future. Investment in terms of love, affections, time, effort, and most importantly, the discipline. Your child should be helped to learn, live within certain rules, regulations, and norms. Should children not learn the self-discipline, they would never ever become effective leaders. Thus, the school rules are being formulated with due consideration and deliberations. You must support your child's education, not merely finance it. I would solicit the cooperation of the parents with the vice principal and the area coordinators to facilitate enforcing the good discipline in the school. In educating today's youth, we cannot afford to lose sight of the fact that we must teach them to grapple with the problems of their generation, their society, and their world. Yesterday's solution to today's problem would not suffice, ladies and gentlemen. The youth of today need to be readied for the global stage, and that is exactly we aim at doing at Jodhpur, so that they can compete with the best brains in the world. We wish to make education at our school a total experience where children struggle and slog for the A+ grades in the academics, participate in all school activities with full enthusiasm, and yet actively involve themselves with the community service projects. As educators, we all share the same mission. As parents and teachers, nurturing our young people and bringing out the best in them, and also give them the necessary knowledge and skills so that they can meet the demands of the fast-changing world and become the lifelong learners. And for this, our education system has gone a wide-ranging reforms, and the vision is to nurture the generation of young people to possess good communication skills, a strong sense of commitment, and a solid foundation for lifelong learning. When we talk of academics, ladies and gentlemen, all the students at Jodhpur have performed very well and achieved commendable grades. Out of 151 students in class 10 this year, 27 students scored a perfect 10 on 10 CGPA, which is a perfect 100% for 27 students of class 10. And 86 students scored above 90%, and there were 45 students who were between 80 to 90%, and no child was less than 80% at Jodhpur. Similarly, in class 12, ladies and gentlemen, there were 72 students and 39 of them have scored above 90% in the last board exam. And the overall average result was 88.2%, and this speaks volumes for the nationwide recognition of the academic program we follow at our school. These encouraging results also reflect positively on the quality of education we impart at JMPS and conducive student-centered teaching, learning environment in the school. When it comes to co-curricular activities, ladies and gentlemen, Jodhamal School has always remained a center for a great number of activities at school, cluster, regional, national and international levels, providing opportunities and exposure for the children to a wide variety of invaluable learning experiences. I would like to share with all the stakeholders that Team Jodhamal clinched the runners-up trophy at Maharani Gayatri Devi Memorial National Level Quiz held at Maharaja Savai Man Singh School, Jaipur. And our team scored the highest points among 29 elite schools of India in the preliminary round, including the Doon School, Welham School, Delhi College Indore and all the elite schools. Jodhamal students won appreciation in the debates, quizzes, English, drama and multimedia presentation during the Silver Jubilee Memorial Knowledge Convergence at the Mayo Girls College, Ajmer. And Jodhamal was the only school of Jammu and Kashmir that was invited to participate in this prestigious competition. Our school has been awarded the Gold Award by the Tony Blair Faith Foundation, that is Face to Faith, and our students had the video conferencing with the students from UK, USA, Indonesia, Ukraine and Germany, which has really broadened up their horizon. Our students brought home the best delegation trophy in the 9th annual session of the Doon School Model United Nations Conference 2015 held at the Doon School, Dehradun. The conference hosted 472 delegates from 48 schools across India, Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh and the United Arab Emirates. Ananya Sharma and Harsimar Kaur were also awarded the most outstanding delegates of their respective committee. I would want everyone to be quiet there. I also like to mention that Sabha Jamwal of 7th D of our school was selected by Natran for her participation in the National Theatre Festival at Bharat Bhavan, Bhopal. And ladies and gentlemen, this was a prestigious thing to happen to a child of class 7 because this is for the first time in the history that play by the children have been selected for featuring at the prestigious National Theatre Festival in which top professionals of the country had participated. Our kids won the city round of CBSE India Heritage Quiz with 115 points and a total of 16 teams from J&K and Punjab had participated in this quiz. Here I would like to mention all the quizzes which happened this year. I very proudly proclaim that our children did us proud and won all the quizzes this year. Jodhamal School claimed the first runners-up trophy in the Intact India Heritage Quiz organized by the Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage and Express Mind Edutainment. 14 leading schools from Jammu, Kashmir and Udhampur participated in this quiz. To hone up the teaching skill of our teachers, ladies and gentlemen, the internationally renowned author and storyteller Mrs. Simi Srivastava from Kathashala had come and trained our teachers for 4 days and this was repeated. It has become a part of her curriculum. She has already had 3 visits and the teachers have been honed up with the skill. Besides this, we had a number of capacity building programs round the year. Our school was the only school invited to present papers at the Dubai Educators Enclave and to train their classroom teachers on continuous and comprehensive evaluation on both scholastic and post-scholastic areas. CBSE has organized workshops for the teachers at Jodhamal itself, wherein all the teachers of Jodhamal and the other CBSE schools had joined. The Speak McKay organized the Bharatnatyam by Padma Shri Geeta Chandran at Jodhamal School, wherein Padma Shri Chandran gave many enthralling performances on Mirabai and explained the symbolism of Nataraj to the students. Also, under the aegis of Speak McKay, JMPS kids interacted with famous Kathak maestro Rani Khanam from Lucknow. We organized Science Expo as a part of Pidilite Fevicol Science Challenge 2015. 172 models were displayed by our students of class 5th to 10 and Dr. Pankaj Srivastava, the Dean of Student Welfare and an eminent educationist from Jammu University, presided over the exhibition and judged the models, and had a lot of appreciation for all. Jodhpur Public School has also kick-started the ISA Journey Part 2. Here I would like to mention ISA's International School Award by the British Council. You all are aware for 2013 to 16 we won that award, and we are on for the second part of this journey. And for this we had an art and culture program, and Sri Lanka, Jordan and India, to the three countries will be collaborating for the project together with UAE on the art and culture of these four countries who are international partners of Jodhpur for its ISA project. I would also like to mention that under the ISA project too, our students also visited the JMPS adopted village Ismailpur Kote in Bishna Tehsil, interacted with the villagers and made them aware of the degradation of underground water resources as well as its conservation. Under the UK-India Generation Exchange Program, we have had two teaching assistants, Laura Bridgman and Rebecca Jerem from UK, who came here and taught the various teaching methodologies of UK to the students of JMPS, and in bargain they learned our culture from us. Tours and educational trips have become an integral part of the curriculum of for the holistic development of the children and to give them exposure to the real life. This year again, we organized an international trip to Singapore where 20 students and 2 teachers had exposure, and besides that we had 40 students and 6 teachers going to Mumbai and Goa trip, and we had 129 students and 16 teachers going to Amritsar, Wagah Border, Atari and Science City at Jalandhar. When it comes to sports, ladies and gentlemen, I would want everyone to pay attention. I know it's a little long, but I think it is for your information, and you need to know how we are trying to mold the children which you have entrusted to us. Ladies and gentlemen, strenuous exercise and interest in games is an outlet of the vigor of youth. Ample opportunities were provided to our students to play and prove their mettle in various sports and games at school, cluster, regional, national and international level competitions. In the year bygone, we saw varied events and happenings that touched us, inspired us and taught us. In speedball tournament, the students of Jodhpur won the gold at Kuala Lumpur, gold at Delhi and Kanpur and a bronze at Poland. In the second Indo-Nepal International Roller Skating, we brought 4 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze. Similarly, in the Roller Skating Nationals held at Patinda, Punjab, our students won 4 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze. In the Mastogido Championship, which was held at Mapusa, Goa, our students brought 8 gold and 1 bronze medal. Jodhpur students participated at national and international levels in various sports events. For example, basketball nationals at Bhavnagar, Gujarat, swimming nationals at West Bengal, Kolkata, table tennis, chess nationals, and the golf was won. In golf, also we won gold at Srinagar. I think it's Raza who won the gold at Srinagar. Jodhpur skaters had excellent state roller skating championship by winning 31 medals including 8 gold, 14 silver and 9 bronze medals. In the Inter-District Open Roller Skating Championship, organized under the aegis of JK Roller Skating Association, Jodhpur School emerged champion by winning maximum number of medals and leading the medal tally with 12 gold, 20 silver and 22 bronze medals. In the inter-school competitions, our students brought laurels by winning 9 gold, 4 silver, 8 bronze medals in the swimming competition organized by KC International School, in which 100 students drawn from 11 schools participated. Jodhpur cricketers participated in the 16th All India Gadi Trophy organized by Lucknow Cricket Academy, and they emerged as runners-up. It was a big achievement, ladies and gentlemen. Our efforts will continue to develop intrinsic motivation in students, move more and more students led by activities by which we can promote internal locus of control without needing constant push and pull from adults. Now, I would like to place on record my most sincere thanks to the management of Jodhpur Public School. Thank you very much, Mrs. Aarti Kuchala and Mr. Nandan Kuchala, for the trust and excellent support you have been giving us. They worked tirelessly towards the development and growth of the school by providing us the state-of-art facilities at our school, and we are confident that JMPS will be the school of choice for discerning parents. My report on the school will be incomplete, ladies and gentlemen, if I did not make mention of my wonderful team of teachers who worked with dedication and put in their all-out effort for the welfare and education of their child. We have a total of 140 qualified and experienced teachers who always and unhesitatingly give their best. At times, I feel I make too many demands on my teachers, but they have always responded very positively. I would like to take this opportunity to convey to my most sincere thanks to the Vice Principal, Mrs. Monica Sethi, Administrative Officer, Mr. Bharat Bhushan Sharma, and all the area coordinators, and of course, the entire teaching staff for their unflinching support and cooperation, and for making things happen very efficiently and smoothly at the school. I would also like to place on record my most sincere thanks to the team of administrative staff and IT department who keep the whole machinery well lubricated and our records intact and in meticulous manner. My thanks to the entire team of support staff for their behind-the-scene work to always keep the school in a neat and presentable state. My big thank you to all the parents who have been a big support at all time and who keep giving me the feedback from time to time. Thank you, parents. Last, but the most important, a few words to the students. I recall a saying I read some time ago, which says, every time God sends a child into the world, He is proclaiming that He has not lost hope in the mankind yet. History of mankind is proof that it is always a good people, a few good people who have made all the difference and made our world a better place. You are fortunate children that you have such caring parents and that you attend such good school. Endeavor to make yourself good human beings and make this world of ours a better place than you find it today. That will be the acid test for your privileged education. At the end, I would like to thank you all for bearing with me for so long, and I now invite you to enjoy again the beautiful cultural program our children have prepared for you under the able guidance of their CCA coordinator, Mrs. Sonia Mahajan. Thank you very much. May God bless you all.